Hey guys, thanks for clicking on the video. This is Marcus from Burnt Ends BBQ. Today, we're gonna be cooking up some meat candy. Yep, that's right. We're gonna do some pork belly burnt ends on the pit barrel cooker. All right guys, here's the pork belly the pork belly. I cut it in half. I'm gonna do another video with the other half, but we're gonna go ahead and slice these up into cubes. The way I like to do it, kind of lay it down like this. Get it there, make a slice. Make sure it separates all the way. There we go. There's actually one thing I want to do first, and I just thought about this before I just want to try to jacar it and see if we can get this fat to render. There we go. No, too much pounding. There we go. That's what I'm talking about right there. We'll turn it over, finish it up, do a couple more slices for you guys. There we go. Move that aside, I'm going to show you how we do it in the cubes here. Same thing, same process. Be some nice little nuggets. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and I'll bring you guys right back. Alright guys, I'm going to season this up. I'm going to have to reach over my counter. It got a little too hot outside. My phone was getting hot, so I had to stop recording. But I'm going to go ahead and start. This is salt, pepper, my SPOG, just to give it that savory. I don't want to overdo it with this. I want to make sure that we get that saltiness in here. And once I get all the rubs in here, then I'll mix it up. We'll let them set and then let it sweat out a little bit while we go get the pit going. I did say we're going to do this on the pit barrel cooker. I got this rub right here from Lee Bones. My buddy gave me this. He introduced this rub to me. Pretty damn good. It's savory. It's really good. I wouldn't necessarily use it by itself, but definitely it's good. It's really good. It has some herbs in there. Still haven't figured out what the herbs are, but it's really good. This is kind of the same thing I did my ribs on. The same rubs that I used. Get that going. I'm gonna open up the other side, get a little bit more coming out. Then this is this rub right here, Big Sweet Barbecue. He's actually from Arizona. This is competition grade stuff right here. Really good stuff. He has a YouTube channel. Go check him out. Big Sweet Barbecue. It's really good stuff. I use this on my competition ribs. Got some nice color. Yeah, that'll work. We're gonna just get all this rub in here, mix it up for you. Last but not least, the barbecue rub. I love this stuff. Great color, great flavor. Just gonna mix it up for you. All right guys, we're gonna let this sweat out. I'm gonna go get the pit barrel warmed up. See you back in a little bit. All right guys, so we have these sweating out. I put it on this rack right here that I bought today, and it's gonna fit perfect inside the pit barrel. We're gonna go ahead and transfer them over now. Really like this rack. Kind of lifts it up more too from the bottom. And we're gonna let these go for about an hour before we check on them, or half hour. Let's do half hour because I'm still learning this pit. And that's it. See you back in a half hour. All right guys, it's been about an hour. See what they're looking like. Oh, not getting it real good on camera. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, they're starting to sweat, break down. That fat's starting to break down. You can hear it dripping on the lump charcoal. Oh man, it smells good. Just looking to get these to the right color, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, these are actually cooking pretty fast. Last time we checked, it was an hour in. We're about an hour and a half in, hour 45 minutes, and these things are ready to come off. So I'm going to transfer these into a pan. I got this rack right here. It is hot, but you can see there's no, we got the bark set on these, so I'm just gonna throw them in a pan. I got butter in there right now. I'm just gonna put these in here. It's time to start softening them up. Hopefully they all fit in here. Oh, look at these ones. Oh, those ones are nice and crispy. Look at that. Woo! Really good. Yeah, these all fit. Nice color on them, not too dark. We're gonna add some Humix to it, just to give it a little more liquid in there. Humix mango nectar. Oops. We're gonna add some Cosmos barbecue sauce. This has chili flakes in it. It's gonna bring that heat to this. It's gonna add more heat. And we're gonna add some Cosmos cherry habanero rib glaze. Now, since the heat source is coming from the bottom, I'm gonna have to check on these. I'm gonna mix them up. Get that butter incorporated. We're gonna cover this with some foil. I can tell you right now, these things are ready. Smelling really good. Looking really nice. Let's see. Look at that. Get that glaze on there. Take off my gloves. Put the foil on them. It's just going to break it down even more. I might put them back on the rack just to keep it a little higher elevation in there. And a little scorch the bottom. We'll grab that. Lid's still open. And that's it. They're going to go night-night for a little bit. And we're going to check on them in about 15-20 minutes. Open it up and see how it looks. All right, guys. We went ahead and wrapped these up. I'm going to pull these off, but I'm going to do an extra step here. You're going to see right here. Feel all that liquid. Look how much these shrunk down. Still have nice color on there. But I'm going to fish these out. Let me go get my strainer here. These are tender. I'm gonna get this here. These are hot. Get all we can in here. That juice or fat is, oh, that one. Oh dang, you see that one fall apart? That's what we want. Yeah, perfect. Now we're gonna add some more brown sugar. Just a light sprinkle. Now we're gonna try to caramelize these. Get some nice texture. We're gonna put these back on the pit barrel. Putting the brown sugar first, and then now we're gonna use Head Country apple habanero. Just open it up. get these tossed together. I'm thinking about hopefully unwrapped. Make sure you don't have dirty smoke coming out of your pit. Get that brown sugar in there. Get these caramelized. I'm just gonna try one real quick. This one that fell apart. Ooh, that's a little hot. When they say meat candy, that's exactly what it tastes like. Get these snuggled in. And we're gonna put this on wrap now. Get these caramelized. The color, that sheen, the shininess. This is the last step that what we're gonna do until that barbecue sauce tacks up. 5, 10, 15 minutes, we'll see. We've got to keep an eye on it. Until then, we'll see you. All right, guys, these been on about 5, 7 minutes, and these things are looking really good. They're tacked up. They released a little bit more fat, but you can, they're sticky icky. You can see this one is falling apart. The fat, it's gonna be like butter. I'm gonna take these inside. I'm gonna let them cool off. I'm gonna tint them with foil real lightly so they can breathe. And once they cool down, we're gonna enjoy these bad boys. I hope you guys enjoyed this cook. All right, guys. Looking at the clock, it's been 4 hours. And I have to tell you, I'm pretty happy with the pit barrel cooker. These are cooled off. Just look at that. That's beautiful. I'm going ahead and use a toothpick. Actually, I'm going to use my hand because I want to show you guys the fat. They're cooled off already. Look at the fat. Look, you just push through it. It's like brisket fat. A flavor that you get from the lump charcoal. Smell, oh man. I'm going to taste it, guys. I wish you guys were here with me to taste it, but you know, hopefully I'm doing due justice on this video. Just like butter, the fat just melts in your mouth. You get the pork flavor, you get the saltiness, the sweetness, the brown sugar, put it over the top. You guys gotta try this recipe. It took 3 steps. So season them up, put them on the grill or on the pit barrel. After that, once we got the bark set, put the juice in, season it up some more, butter, brown sugar, barbecue sauce, the fat rendered some more. We fish these out, put them in another pan, glazed them up again, tacked up the sauce. Oh, you have to give this a try. You know, hey guys, I'm on Instagram. You can find me on Instagram, Burton's Barbecue. You got pork belly burnt ends from Burnt Ends Barbecue. If you guys like what we're putting out, especially this recipe, this one is one of my favorites right now. So just click that like button, subscribe, hit that notification button. Until next time I see you with another recipe, I'm out.